What is the best string trimmer for landscape professionals? Lowe's has stepped up to the challenge of providing pros like myself with the tools we need, including pro brands and equipment that landscapers trust, like the Husqvarna 500 series. So let's chat about this string trimmer and why it's a candidate for best string trimmer for landscape pros. Some people call it a string trimmer, others call it a weed eater, others call it a whippersnipper. Which one is best for pros? Well, to put a little context into my evaluation, I started a lawn care business in 2011. Personally, have mowed, edged, trimmed, blowed thousands of properties, been at it for a very long time, and I have a unique situation, and that is I had a shoulder injury when I was in college. I was pumping that iron a little too much one day and injured my shoulder. What I quickly discovered as a landscaper is if I overdo it and stress out my shoulder, it starts getting really tight, tender, hurts. I got to ice it and things of that nature. So I'm looking for a string trimmer that's going to be able to get professional work done, operated over extended period of time, multiple properties in a day, tough jobs, but it also needs to be light for me personally for my shoulder. For me, the winner chicken dinner is the Husqvarna 525L professional trimmer because it's the lightest in its class, and I absolutely love how light it is, yet it's also powerful. For me, some other reasons in addition to it being light yet powerful for being the best trimmer for professionals is that it also comes equipped with heavy duty tap and go trimmer head with the quick line feed, so that makes it super convenient to restring and to get back to being productive. And it's also super easy to buy. You can pick it up at Lowe's. And so I know with other string trimmers, even if you like it, it might not even be available in your area based on the dealer and things of that nature. But for most of us, Lowe's is right around the corner. So it's super convenient to just swing on over to Lowe's, pick up a 525L professional trimmer, and get out there making that money. And so let me know in the comments below, have you used the Husqvarna 525L? What do you think about it? And for those of you who maybe have a different opinion, what do you think is the best string trimmer and why? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and your perspective. And again, in conclusion, for me personally, what carries the most weight, no pun intended, is how lightweight is it? It needs to be powerful enough to use multiple times in a day, but for me, it needs to be light. And the Husqvarna 525L, it is so light. You pick it up and you're like, are you sure this is powerful enough? And you're like, oh, wow, let's get her done. And so I want to encourage you to visit Lowe's and take the Pro Brand Challenge for yourself. Share your favorite pro grade products and why you like those products. And again, for me, I absolutely love a string trimmer that can get the job done and that's light. So my favorite pro grade product at Lowe's is the Husqvarna 500 series string trimmer. Let me know what yours is. Thanks for watching and smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next video.